Okay guys, ladies, gentlemen, children, welcome back to another YouTube channel. Now this is a bit of a confusing one for me because I'm filming 2 videos or 1 video maybe in 2 days, I don't really know. So this possibly could be the video where I do the dyno run in the TT, or it could possibly be the video afterwards. If it is the video afterwards, then make sure you go check out the Audi TT, which is out there. You may have seen it in the previous videos. Do a dyno run and you'll find out the results and everything in the top right hand corner now. But today, or this video hopefully, we're going to be fitting some interior mods and a few little things, and actually someone's made me a little modification for the TT which I actually think is pretty sick. So it's all going to be interior stuff and maybe an engine bay clean. First things first, you may have saw in the video from in the top right hand corner where we actually sprayed the headline in, the roof line in. We sprayed the roof line in black. Now it turned out okay, not brilliant, but some guys give me hate in the comments saying, oh, it looks shit, blah blah blah, and to be fair, it has worn a fair bit. Now I actually managed to pick a whole roof line in black, set of black up off eBay for 50 quid. 50 quid for all of that, and it came with like the sun visors, the side bits, the lights, and the whole shebang really. So we're going to be fitting that today. So another good reason why we're doing this as well is a pretty common problem on these. You see this parcel shelf, well, you know, when you, I can't pull it out because I've really wedged it in, but let's take it out. So let's take this out. So these are actually broke off. It's a really common problem on Audi TTs, and some people actually drill them back in to the side there, but because we've got all new pillars down here, which you can see are really badly worn because I sprayed them and they just look crap now, we're going to replace all of that. But they come with these pillars, so I can be able to fit my parcel shelf properly after this. So first things first, we're going to remove all these bits and bobs. I'll show you how to do that. Let's get to it. Right. So that's that piece out. To actually get these pillars out here, you've got to remove the seat belt, the bolt for the seat belt, which is underneath there, and then it will allow us to put the seat belt through that hole there. Let's do that. Just pop up. Okay, rear bench. So it's, now if I have my spanner set, but I've left it at the garage, I'll be able to get my spanner in there, but it looks like I'm going to have to take off the door card. Right, is it in? Is it? That's not in there. I think it's in here. I haven't managed to organise it, but I will do. Yes. So 17. Yes, 17mm inside the Audi toolkit. Go on, lad. Right, let's get this off. Let's get this off. This is going to be, I mean, it's not the most interesting of jobs, but it needs to be done, and also I'd like to be able to clean the whole car, strip all the seats out, clean it. Right, we're out. We are out, so that's going to allow us now to be able to put that through there, take this rear pillar off. So let's do that. So behind this, if I can get to it. How many bolts holding that in? 10mm nut up here as well. There's another 10mm nut up here. So we'll undo that as well, and then we should be able to take the whole thing out. Oh! So what I've made the decision to do is actually just replace the whole headline in, because I just don't think it looks, I just want it to look dialed and want it to look good. And I mean, the lights were good whilst they lasted, but we're just gonna have to sacrifice with the lights and make it look nice and clean inside. So I'm actually, just to get some more room, I'm just going to remove the seats. Now it's 4 of these spline drives. Obviously I've loosened this one already, taken that one out. There's 2 at the front. You have to just lift the seat to the highest point. Hopefully it comes out alright. I'll disconnect the the airbag connector underneath before I remove it, and then I can be able to clean everything underneath, and also I'll be able to just get to it and make sure when it's just going to be nice and fresh afterwards. So let's get this seat out. Seat number 2 out. Oh, I'm filthy. Let's have a look inside. Look at that. Nice. Disgusting! Look at it, completely stripped out. Well, I'm going to take the roof lining off now. Let's do exactly the same for this side. Take all of that out, and then we'll get to taking the sun visors off and the actual top roof lining. I hope you're kind of following this video. I'm just sort of going at my own rate and just filming bits and bobs, but the car's in an absolute state at the minute, but it will be super clean afterwards, so bear with us. So I actually couldn't get to the seatbelt on this side to undo it because of this Bose thing, so I've had to remove the door card there, and I'm gonna have to pull off the Bose sub here, but I just thought I'd show you guys because you've probably never seen it. The Bose sub is on that side, there's not one on the other side, so let's start taking that off so we can get to the seatbelt.
A few moments later.
Okay, and out we come, and that is a wee bit. See you later. We need to remove this big piece here, that literally simply just pulls out. That just pulls out. And now all we need to do is remove the sun visors, and then there's two clips, two little push pin things up here. We'll pull them out, then the whole of this will drop down and we can replace it all. And cleaned, out comes the roof lining. It was fun whilst it lasted, but look at the wear. I mean, painting it wasn't the best of ideas I've had, but you know what, I tried it, and for 50 quid for the new stuff it weren't that bad. Obviously this is all the lights on the other side. We're gonna have to say goodbye to them, but it was a good video whilst this lasts. Didn't really get to show it off to many people, but you guys saw it on the video, and if you didn't, it's in the top right hand corner. So now the car is fully, TT is fully stripped out. Look at it, and it is filthy as well. It's time to clean.
People you were in a car? You were alone that time, or somebody else with you as a passenger in that accident?
Wasting my time. So, and that is that. So the seats are in, nice and clean and fresh now. We've got the fresh roof lining. Now, there's a reason I haven't cleaned this. And this is basically just a dust collector because it doesn't do anything. Now, I'm about to show you a nice little piece of magic which one of the subscribers, shout out to you, hooked me up with this. So let me just go and get it. Oh, it's feeling so much cleaner already, like with this black roof lining, which is actually OEM black. Now guys, check out this little mod, but actually pretty sick mod that a lad called, but let me get his Instagram up, Jack Bontempi. I'll put his Instagram right on the screen now, but shout out to you, mate, because you literally hooked me up here, and I think this is a brilliant mod. I think more TTs should have this. Literally all it is, a bit of leather, a bit of wood stapled to it. He made it for me, sent it out for free, so shout out to him. Now he said that should just remove this crappy thing and put this in place. Oh my god, look at that, that is like OEM. That is literally perfect. Shout out to Jack. Massive shout out to Jack, because that is a sick mod now. So it's not just, there's no dust collected now in a little thing. You just got a nice little leather block in there and it looks sort of OEM. So shout out to you guys. If you've not already subscribed and you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you click subscribe. Well, it helps me out, and hopefully I can help you guys out as well by showing you all these little bits and bobs that I'm doing to the TT and on other cars as well. So make sure you click subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you have clicked the subscribe button before you leave. I know this is a bit of a weird video, not much going on in the case of modifications, but there will be a lot more to come on it. But I'm just trying to film every little thing I kind of do to the TT because you guys seem to enjoy it. So let me know what you think in the comments, put a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.